Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this project is very useful and helpful. And this project is a background student is very helpful. Okay. Okay, this is a 2D drawing front view and section view is draw here, and one by one is this project is des design here, and this project is created here one by one, and all point is one by one is discussed here. Okay. Okay, all dimension in millimeter, and this cell is 2 millimeter, and at first drawing this line and 72 millimeter, and this is a 45 millimeter and 36 millimeter, and this fillet is used here, radius is 20 millimeter. Okay, at first select a plane is a front plane, and use this line is created here, and okay, and this is a this. Okay, this is a very useful, and this is a 45 millimeter is correct, and this is a 36 millimeter is correct, and this point distance between a 72 millimeter is correct. Okay, and again this use a sketch fillet is used here, 20 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a perfect, but all is a this is a black color means this is a fully defined and exit, and next is use here a right plane, and right plane is sketch, and normal draw line is drawing here this point to this, and use a this, and mention dimension, this is 72 millimeter, and this is a 36 millimeter, and also sketch fillet is used here, this 20 millimeter and correct, and this is a exit, and two line and two plane is discussed here. First plane is front plane and second is right plane, and two line is created here, and then this is a very important point is discussed here, and this use a project curve is select here, and use a sketch on sketch. A sketch on a sketch is a select, and this line is click here, and this preview is showing here, and this project curve is very important. Okay, and this is a very important project curve is used. Okay, and this is a use a swept boss, and use a circular profile. Guys, circular profile is a 2014 version of SolidWorks available. Okay, this circular profile is a 2014, above the 2014 version of SolidWorks is available here, and below the 2014 version of SolidWorks is not available. Okay, above the 2014 version of SolidWorks this circular profile is available here, and this this is a select here, and this is a 15 millimeter is correct, because this is a use a 15 millimeter, and also this is a 15 millimeter, and this is a use a this 15 millimeter is hole is created here. Okay, okay, all point is correct, this is a, and this line is hide because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and this is cell is a use a this is a 2 millimeter, and this is a use a this. Okay, and preview is showing here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and one point is also discussed here. This is a right plane is select here and use a mirror, and this is a use a body to mirror, not a face to mirror. Body to mirror is select here and select this. Okay, this is a perfect, and select body, and this preview is showing here, and this merge solids. Okay, this click. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, all is looking perfect, but also next is this, and this is a 25 millimeter is this circle is drawing here, and this offset is a 25 millimeter and use a 5 millimeter is thickness. Okay, and select a. Okay, one point is also use here, this a fillet is used, and fillet is a 5. This is a constant size fillet, and 5 millimeter is correct, and use a this, and use this is a curvature continuous is very important. Okay, okay, and next select a sketch, drawing a normal, and drawing a circle is a this. Okay, this circle is drawing here, and mention dimension is a 25. Okay, and select a extrude. Okay, one point is missing here, and this is a sketch, select and convert entities is select here, and then okay, use a extrude boss base, because this is a, and this is a 5 millimeter is thickness, and offset is 25. Okay, 5 millimeter is thickness and offset is 25, and use a offset 25 millimeter is inward direction is a inward. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and okay, this is a correct. Okay, next is a use is this, and this point is a select a, and at first select this 5 millimeter, and direction is a, okay, this is a correct. Blind inward direction, and also offset is also inward direction, both is inward is correct. Okay, and next is a this selector, and use sketch and drawing a normal. Okay, and use a center rect. Okay, and use a center point slot, and use this is a state slot is used here, and click this point to this, and okay, this is a correct, and this is a 15. Okay, and this point is very important, and sketch this, and this point to this is a, and automatic select here, and this is a 15 millimeter, and 5 millimeter is this, and 7.5 millimeter is this, and thickness is 10 millimeter is correct. And draw a circle is drawing here this, two circle is drawing, and again select a two circle is a drawing here, and some relation is this upper circle, and press a control button, and then this circle is equal, and below the circle and this circle is a equal. Okay, and mention dimension is a 7.5, and again this is a 5. Okay, all is perfect, and some trim command is used here, and trim is portion is trim, and this is a trim. Okay, and okay. Okay, and exit and use a extrude boss, but some point is also missing here, and this point is also use a convert entities, and select this and select this, press a control button and select this, both is a convert entities, and select sketch and use a and this is a correct. Okay, okay. Again extrude boss and select this, and one by one is this, and also select this. Okay, and thickness is a 10 millimeter, and thickness is all 10 millimeter. Okay, and direction is inward. Okay, this is a okay, okay. This is a select here and extrude boss base, and direction is inward, this and also this. Okay, this is a perfect, and direction is a this is a 10 millimeter, and direction is inward. Okay, and okay. Okay, all point is correct. Okay, next and last is a this is a use a thread. All point is clear, easily clear here, easily learn here, and last is a thread, and thread is a this is a thread is a 18 millimeter is offset length, and 2 millimeter is offset, and 80 millimeter is a length, and okay, and also some fillet is used here, fillet is used, and this is a perfect, and 5 millimeter is this, also 1 millimeter is better, and this is a this, and this, and this. Okay, and click OK. Okay, this also fillet is used here. Okay, and next is a thread is used, and thread is a this is a this line is selected, and this edge is selected. Okay, and this is a face is also select. Okay, and use a metric tab is a metric to die, metric die is better, and this is a 22 is 2, 22 is 2, and 27 is a 2 is also okay, and this length is a 18 millimeter is correct, and also this is a perfect, and this is a 32 is, and select here a 32 is, this is a okay, 22 is okay, good, 22 multiplied 2 is correct, and offset is 2 millimeter, and direction is inward, direction is outward, okay, and also this is a 20 millimeter is correct, also 24 millimeter is correct, 22 millimeter is better, okay, this is a perfect, and okay, 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 this thread is very important is used here, and this is a color is change here, okay, this is a change, okay, this is a looking very nice, and all color is change here, and this is a metal and use a bronze, okay, this is a perfect, use a cartoon is apply here, okay, this is a perfect, and all point is one by one is discussed here, okay, this is a perfect, body is isometric view is also better, okay, this is a looking perfect, and also nickel is also better, polish nickel, copper, and then use this aluminum is also okay, and bronze, chromium, okay, brush, okay, brush is a very nice looking here, okay, okay, okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is discussed here easily and clearly, and guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment, and guys, get at first more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share, okay guys, thank you.